dudes? I was just gonna go for a low ride around town, and then I remembered there's a lake up here I haven't ridden to in a while. I haven't ridden to it since I owned my FC09. It's a pretty cool spot. There's some fun, like, mountainous roads we can rip up. Way off balance there. Gotta get the tires warmed up. I think it'll be fun. It's kind of a long ride, so hopefully I can cut it up into the most entertaining bits. But I also really want to look at how high the water level is at the lake. Gotta do some fishing. I got a fishing kayak. Maybe come out here tomorrow. Throw a couple lines in. It's still winter. It's still pretty cold out, but I've noticed we're like almost at spring and the bugs are starting to come out. And I don't have mirrors on this bike, so I don't know. Like, right, I hopped on the freeway for a second. Right as I got on the freeway, I got a big old splat right in the middle of my visor. So hopefully none hit the camera lens, because I can't really tell. And this whole video will just be a bust. Thank you. That's a cop. Dirt on the road. I'm expecting that, though. It's been stormy lately. Buddy is chiefing in the RAV4. Just a booter. This bike is fast. Love it. Riding a mountain bike. So fun. Let's go right. I think we can go straight, but I don't really know as well as over here. on-ramp's kind of messy. Sheesh. Sand. Salt and sand. From all the ice and snow we've been getting. Dark clouds up there. Might actually be a shorter ride than I thought if we start getting rained on. It's actually not true that I haven't ridden here since I had my FCO9. I'm pretty sure I rode here my buddy's Tuono. I rode with a couple other dudes after we went to a little car meet. I don't think I ever filmed any of that though. It's been a while for you guys. I mean, it's still been a while. It's been, I don't know, 6 months. Oh man, buddy in the 4Runner, those sway bars. Just sending it. Here's the lake. I think we're gonna try to rip up this road and I'll turn around and come back. We can take the view in. It's pretty high though. This side's filled up too. Wow. I wonder if there's fish in this part. This is like I'm pretty sure this is like a separate area. I don't even think that lake runs into that part. I don't know. Lots of trucks on this road. You gotta be careful. These left-hand turns. Because it can get kind of narrow. Bet they're be hugging the double yellow. Which is not good if my head is right there. Of the road. Yep, back to the freeway. Oh, there's some snow. Oh wow. I didn't know snow that's low. Yeah, scary. Lots of sand on this part. Do a wheelie for the cars driving by. Whoa. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I'll have to stop and take a photo. Stop and take a pic for the gram. Looks like there's a couple boats out there. There's 2 cars at the launch. That car is in my spot where I usually take photos. Oh well, we'll go over here. Try not to get the bike too muddy. Dodge the puddle. Pretty cool. Alright. Man, that bike looks good. So, there's 2 things we can do here. We can either ride back where we came, or ride that direction, drop into the canyon, which that would be pretty fun, but I did that yesterday, so we could ride where I haven't been in a long time. There's this little highway that comes off this road, and it goes to this other town. The only issue, it's a pretty fun road, but it's pretty busy. And I don't know what time it is. It's probably like 4 o'clock. People are starting to get off work. Might be a little too much traffic. Let's try it. Oh, crud, it's raining. Well, we can go right or we can go straight. Let's go right. Doesn't look like it's raining over there. Sand. I knew it. Knew I saw some dark clouds. Gotta get out of here. Gotta get out of this area. Well, at least I'm not on my Ninja, because I just watched that. Oh, there you go. Thank you, sir. Appreciate that. Thank you. 25? Why 25? I don't know why. Why did it say 25? It's raining more. Oh, it's been raining over here. It's all wet. No. What do we do, dudes? Ah, man. Let's turn around. Yeah. Oh, well. It's fun while it lasted. Lightning. Oh man, it's coming down over there. You guys see that? Come on, Honda Accord, step on it. Yeah. Gosh, this bike sounds so good. You are loved. No, you are loved. You are loved. Anyways, dudes, hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you like these like dumb little vlogs. Thank you, sir. Because this is what I do anyways. I just go out and ride my bike, and sometimes it's fun to film. Bye, dudes.